Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hello Glow Rejuvenating Set. Let's start with your morning routine. First, cleanse your face thoroughly with the 4-in-1 whitening soap, rinsing well. Next, gently apply the clarifying toner using a cotton pad, sweeping it across your face. Finally, protect your skin by applying a generous amount of the sunscreen cream, ensuring full coverage before heading out. As evening approaches, it's time for your second round of cleansing and toning. Begin by washing your face thoroughly with the 4-in-1 whitening soap, ensuring all makeup and impurities are removed. After rinsing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Then, take a fresh cotton pad, apply a small amount of the clarifying toner, and sweep it across your face and neck. Now for the star of your evening routine, the Rejuvenating Night Serum. After toning, dispense just 2 to 3 drops of this powerful serum onto your fingertips. Gently massage it evenly onto your face and neck using upward strokes. This serum works its magic while you sleep, helping to renew your skin. Allow it to fully absorb before resting. To ensure the best experience, remember these important tips. Always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin before using the full set to check for any sensitivity. For optimal results, use the Hello Glow Rejuvenating Set consistently for about 30 days. Also, avoid prolonged sun exposure and always reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours during the day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.